Okay, people, this is the iPod Touch Jailbreak 2nd G. Basically, there's been a lot of errors, loads of problems with it. A few people have done it and got it working. Myself, like quite a few of them, have not got it working. And to be honest, the tutorial is going to be quite in depth, so I really can't make this, noob friendly. I have to say it as it is, so I'm sorry if I go too quick. Maybe, go back and pause it, keep pausing it after every second or every word I say. But yeah, I'm not going to be doing it because I've already tried it 5 times. I've tried quite a few different methods. This method does work, although I screwed it up doing something I shouldn't have done, and I've just finally got it back to restore. So I'm not gonna do this jailbreak with you, but I'll show you how it's done. Okay, and I basically was going by the guide before it was updated, so they've now updated the guide and got rid of the problem that I had. Okay. So what you will need to do is download the programs. You will get the 211 firmware restore, the 221 firmware restore, Xpone, iRecovery, RS Lite. Extract those 3 folders to the desktop, drag in 221 restore into Xpone. So Xpone, there it is, 221 firmware restore. You will create a custom one in 1 second, but there's your restore. Now go into RS Lite, firmware bundles, copy the bundle, and go into firmware bundles on Xpone and paste it in here. Yes, I've already got it there, but you probably won't. Okay, so there you go. So now you're ready to start. What you will need to do now is to open command, and this is heavily involved. So it starts run cm, and it says open cmd, and there you go, there's your command. Okay, so first of all, what you're going to do is basically direct it to your Xpone folder. Okay, so what you will do is click it, and you can see the address. Copy the address. Go into this. Right, first of all, you've got to put this after everyone is CD lowercase space. Okay, and this will work. You can try it without the CD, but it usually doesn't work. Okay, so right click, because you can't control V, right click, paste. So you got CD space C document settings, username, etc. Then press enter. Okay, so I'm not going to do that, but press enter. Okay, so once you've done that, next what you're going to type in is, and this will be at the sidebar at the right, all of this is the IPSW, iPod restore, custom restore, 700 bundle cydia.tar. It's a long word. Now, from when you've entered code I just said a second ago, to direct to Xpone, paste, and then press enter. Now what will happen, it will start creating a custom firmware. Basically what it says there, it will use that firmware, create a new firmware called custom, and add bundles and the Cydia file. Okay, so that's all it will do. Let it do its job. There'll be a lot of scripting coming up, and basically when it's done to the bottom and it's finished, exit out. Okay, so that's how you build a custom firmware. What you will have is this custom firmware here. Okay, so now in the iRecovery, install libusb. You don't need to restart, just double click it, go from next, and install it. Go to iRecovery SVN folder afterwards. Okay, you will have 5 folders. I've added these 3. 2 of them are from the custom firmware, one of them's from 211 firmware. So find your 211 firmware, right click, open with WinRAR. Now what you'll need to do is, and this is the set, go to firmware, DFU, and as you can see, IBSS N72AP release, drag that over. Rename this one, as this from 211, rename it IBSS 211.dfu. I've already got this file already, as you can see just above, so rename it to IBSS 211.dfu. Okay. Okay. Right. Next, what we're going to do is now go into our custom, which is, I've already said, in Xpone. Open your Xpone. Now right click, open WinRAR, and make sure it's the custom one you've just created. Okay, now go to firmware, DFU, and IBSS. Once again the same file, again rename it to IBSS, but this time make it 221.dfu. So you got 2 now. I've already renamed it to I've already got this file, so there you go. So there's the 211 that we just 221, which we've just done, but we still need something else from this custom restore. So go back, go into all flash folder, again production folder, and now drag over iBoot N72AP release. Change that to iBoot iBoot 221.img3. okay, once you've done that, you've got all these files and they're correctly named. So there's the 3 files there. Okay, right, after that, by the way, these will be at the side. Whatever I say, there'll be text version basically at the side in the more info. Okay, so once that's done, you can now basically start the next stage, really.